morning, good afternoon, good evening, from wherever you're joining us. This is Stanley Ward Technologies, the church multimedia channel. So today we'll be going over Wondershare Filmora. If you're just joining us, please do subscribe to our channel. So I'm going to double click on my Filmora and allow it to load. Special thanks to all those who requested for this video. Beginning and doing intro to video editing for churches. You could do it for also your personal business, or basically gonna mistaken to do it for churches. So our layout is up and I'm clicking on new project. So click on new project. And this is our Filmora interface. So for those who don't know about Filmora, Filmora is a video editing software. I like Filmora because it's user-friendly and easy to navigate. So we're going to be going through our Filmora. So first, if you could check Microsoft, this is media. In media we have project media, we have global media, we have cloud, and we have adjustment layer. So adjustment layer, if you can see, we have preset and we have custom. So custom is a saved adjustment layer, while preset is an adjustment layer that came or comes with our Filmora. So if you could see it, it's not displaying, but okay, so let's play it from here. So as you can see, this is a preset already inbuilt into the Filmora video editing app. So we have a global media. So what our global media does for us, is that when we have any media in our global folder, it means everyone who creates Filmora, like anyone that creates a new project in our Filmora, can have access to the file. So let's try to put the file. So now if you could see this file, it's in the global media. So just what this does, like I explained earlier. So now let's see, when you click on project media, you notice there's nothing there, but when you come back to global media, you find the file there. So this means everybody can use this file, not specific to a project, but specific to different projects. So let's say you're the only one that uses your system. What this does is means only you can access different projects with just that one file. So moving next, we have the stock media. So basically we have some stocks that we can download. We have solid, color, gradient, and the rest of them, so you could explore. So we have pixels also for that. We have GP, we have XA, and on Flash, so you could just explore them. So moving next to our audio, we have recommended audio songs for Filmora that you can download. So just click on the download button there. For titles, this is where our text comes in. We have different texts, different presets that Filmora has given us. So all you just need to do is select the one you want and you need to download. Same goes for transitions. See, we have a lot of them as presets. Select the one you feel you want to use, download. And if you can see also our templates, we download some templates also from our stock. So now let's go through file. So we have new projects, open recent, and the rest of them there. You could just check those out. So we have this for tools. Our tools is not active because there's nothing on our timeline. So when we have something on our timeline, so those are going to do that very shortly. So the quick intro will be let's add a file. So you go to media and you add your file to that aspect. So now if you notice at this part of where my cursor is, we have player, we have full quality, half, and quarter. So what that means is if you're not using a system with high dedicated graphics, you will want to use a 1/4 quality, not because it's going to export a 1/4 quality for you, no, but because it's going to make it easy for you to work on this timeline and render your video. So what quality does is to reduce the capacity and the performance of your system when working on the file. So just like when you're using a full quality, your system tends to process more. But when using a quarter quality, it processes a quarter to the performance supposed to process for a full quality, and you still get the same output. So are we together on that? So now this is our timeline. If you could see, we have undo, redo, delete, split, audio section, and the rest of them. You see they are arranged sequentially according to how it's listed on the timeline. So while you're watching this tutorial video, if you have any question, please feel free to use the comment section, and in no time I'll be fast as possible to reply your question. Thank you. So I'm gonna click save, and as you can see that moved over to the other side, we have the render preview. So close to the render preview, we have a couple of items you could check out. If you hover around them, if you notice, it brings out what they can do. So you see how this works. This is for record if you want to record audio. This is the audio mixer. This is how audio mixer looks like. We have the timestamping, which is there automatically. If you could see the top, that's the timestamping. Then we have our zoom in and zoom out. Yeah, you can see that. So that will be that about the interface. I hope we are getting familiar with Wondershare Filmora. So now we're going to be importing the media file. We're going to be doing a little tutorial of how this works. So I'm going to be choosing a file from my system. So I added a file. So what's to add a file to your timeline? You could just drag. You see the way I drag? Just left click and drag. Or you could decide to click the plus button close to it. So I'm going to drag this and add it to my timeline. So we have two settings here: match in media and keep project setting. So it's best for you to always keep project setting. Now keeping the project setting means you're going to use the resolution which you have configured for it to work to. But when you choose match to media, that means it's going to take the resolution of the media you're trying to add to your timeline. Please take very close note of that. So you could just click on the media on your timeline and drag if you want to reposition. So now to play your media, just need to tap on your spacebar, or you can click on the play button. So if you watch over to the other side, you could see some features which you could maneuver. So you can mark. We have the AI tool, we have the animation also. So feel free to use any of this for your video. So I'm actually not speaking because I believe you're following me and you're seeing what I'm also doing. So now I'm trying to cut. So now if you notice, so I know some of you are confused, but it's a way drive. Just follow the tutorials and you'll be good with it. And if you have a question, please feel free to drop in the comment section like I've earlier said. So this is the audio section. If you want to add audio to your presentation or your editing, so now we're adding text to our video.
If you find this video useful, please like. If you have any question, please use the comment section. And please consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you.